Fatovinko's premium gift to Africa. Scientists from Africa, America, Asia, and Europe are meeting in Accra to make good use of health-related discoveries and to build a formidable network. The conference, the first in Africa, will take a look at the latest research on cellular, imaging, and chromosome dynamics and a study for decades using different kinds of microscopes. At this forum, renowned scientists will also be meeting student scientists to share and collaborate on future scientific research projects. A report by Serofori.
Technological developments have stimulated research in the field of science over the years. Collaborations among laboratories have also helped to identify tools and antidotes to virus, bacteria, parasites, and other pathogens. The study of human genetics has also brought clarity to why humans are prone to diseases or not. Africa's Youth Bulge is set to present opportunities to explore the scientific world to develop homegrown solutions to diseases. Members of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology ran participants through decades of research undertaken in molecular genetics. Director of Innovation at the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, Mr. Cephas Ejay, said the ministry has finalized a review of its science and technology policy to ensure that Ghana benefits from latest technologies in science. The president and founder of the Sena Institute of Technology, who is also the co-chair of the FACEP conference in Accra, Dr. Andrews Agbleke, hopes government will invest in scientific equipment to develop scientific research in Ghana.
Scientists are always a few years behind in terms of the technology. And for you to bring people who are doing research now and they can tell you what is happening today in their labs is very important. That is the only way Africa or the Ghanaian scientists can develop their science and not rely on textbooks where things have been discovered or researched about 30 years ago.
Professor Tom Brocker is a scientist from the University of Alabama, Birmingham. He hopes the conference would yield productive collaborations and learning opportunities for young African scientists.
There's so many fascinating subject areas in the genomics of medicinal plants, nutritional plants, marine and aquatic animals, and insects. All of nature really becomes part of our own interest in understanding it at every level, from the whole organism to the tissues, the cells, and the genetics of them. If we can understand all the components, then perhaps we can use that knowledge to make improved crops or new medicines, and every bit of that is a partnership. It can't be done any other way.
For the head of science and technology at the African Union Development Agency, NEPAD, Professor Olalekan Akimbo, the focus of the conference is to reinforce the AU's 2063 target of making Africa's efforts in science sufficient by ensuring that the continent does not become a dumping market for obsolete scientific technology. According to the Union's Science, Technology and Innovation Unit, it has already ensured the harmonization of the regulation on pharmaceutical products, a major step to achieving the target. As part of the conference, a high-resolution microscope, which is the first in Ghana, is on display to give Ghanaian scientists a first-hand feel of how it works. Serofori, GBC News, Accra.